If you are an established software development business and you have a minimum of 10 to 20K revenue per month, and now you want to scale your revenues without just relying on referrals or dependencies on a few big clients, then this video is for you. Because the first and most important part and decision you need to make is what you should say and communicate in your marketing, and that comes down to what you sell to new potential clients. Don't do the same mistake like hundreds of thousands of other software development and AI automation businesses and just talk about who you are, what you do, what you love, how long you are in business, how big your team is. Nobody cares. Like high-level decision makers couldn't care less because it's not relevant for them. They want to see one thing, and I'm going to show you in this video what that is. If you get this wrong, you will just burn your budget on marketing without getting any results. But get this right and you will attract high-level decision makers with confirmed budgets for software development or AI automation projects. And that's how you get full control of your sales pipeline on Meta. Yes, Meta works best, much better than LinkedIn for getting software development clients. There's a ton of proof out there on my channel. If you want to watch this, feel free. But for now, let's jump right into the details. Let's focus 30 seconds on sales psychology because everything else we are going to cover right now is based on this. So here's why clients buy. And there's only one reason why people want software development or AI automation services. And the number one reason is because they have a problem and they want a solution. Sounds very basic, but like look around. Look at all the websites of other software development and AI automation service businesses. They don't talk about problems of their clients. They don't talk about the solutions they can get. They just talk about technology and who they are and what they do. But clients don't care. They have the only motivation to get their problem turned into a solution. So basically what you're seeing here, right, this gap is what motivates these people to listen to you, to click your ad, to become a lead, book a call, and ultimately buy from you. So what your business needs to do, and we will be very specific in a few seconds what that means for software development or AI automation, is you need to bridge this gap. You need to build the bridge for them as a fast lane to turn their problem into a solution. Okay? And typically this bridge has different steps. Your ad is the first step of the bridge, where you educate about the problem. You basically catch their attention by talking about the problem. And then the first step is to share with them how the solution could look like and to tell them how the steps towards the solution look like so that they don't fall into this canyon and die, okay? Because that's their fear, that it doesn't work. So you need to educate how it's possible to solve the problems, get the solution, and how systematically this can be achieved with your solution. And then, only once they understood this, you can sell your implementation services. And to make sure that you have an attractive offer that solves a big enough problem and is attractive enough for your clients, let me first show you how we structure the buyer's journey with a 3-step purchasing process, basically where you have 3 offers to get clients in. Sometimes it's just 2 offers, that also works, but I want to give you all the information so you can decide how you want to structure your buyer's journey. So the first step is an offer to attract leads. This, in most cases, is a free offer. It's a lead magnet, but don't do the mistake and just give away a free lead magnet and promote it straight on ads. This won't work. You need to first start talking about, well, what I showed you, about the problem, mention the solution, talk about the steps to get there, and then offer them this lead magnet as the first step on the bridge. That's very important. Otherwise, you just attract freebie seekers, tire kickers, broke people. Okay, so that is very important. By the way, if you want to see how to structure the whole funnel or the messaging, at the end of this video, we will give you another video where you can go straight into the implementation. But basics first, we need to make sure that what you sell is attractive enough to target the right people, to target decision makers. In most cases, however, we use an offer document where we show the details of an offer. We basically use this communication, how to turn the problem into the solution, what you do, and how you do it, and put it into an offer document, including case studies, pricing information, because, well, that's what people want to know. That's what decision makers, buyers want to understand. Expected ROI, how it works, how to get there, what other people achieved, and what's the pricing. Okay, so we put this in a document and we gate it behind a gatekeeper where we qualify these people, and only qualified people get access to this document. So once you decided on the lead magnet, the next thing is the full solution. It's the implementation of the first thing they need. Let's be specific what that is. If you develop, let's say, AI automation solutions, then the first entry offer should be an AI proof of concept, which is, for example, automating the first process so that your clients can see the ROI and the impact on business results using AI. And then you can upsell to the full implementation, which means you analyze additional processes and you automate them additionally, and you charge a monthly retainer additionally for maintaining the automation platform. Okay, that's a proven business model, works very well, is very easy to get clients in because you have an attractive front-end offer. And then, well, you can upsell them and increase the customer lifetime value, which makes your marketing and your business a lot more profitable. For AI automation specifically, the lead magnet could be an ROI calculation. This could be done in a document where you describe the steps. Okay, that has a low entry barrier, but the value is also not so high because most people won't do it. Okay, if they just need to follow the document. Or you offer them a call where you do this ROI calculation for them on a call. And that's how you build trust, and you show that you really understand their business needs instead of just developing software like all these hundreds of thousands of software development businesses out there do. Good. For developing, for example, general software development, let's say you develop apps or digital products. The first step for them is a prototype. You communicate that you develop a prototype. And I recommend that you develop this prototype using AI tools because it will deliver much faster results. It's a lot more attractive when clients get fast results, and you can do it at a much higher profit margin. At the end of the video, I will also show you how you can get a free SOP, exact instructions to develop prototypes with AI. Okay, so that is important. You make your business, your marketing more profitable when you have an attractive entry offer. In case of general software development, a proof of concept or prototype for anywhere from 10K to 25K are a very good start to make your marketing profitable and get new clients while making a profit. And then you upsell to either the full project or here to the retainer, okay, where you constantly support, maintain, provide updates. It depends a bit on what you develop, but that's what you should do because, well, it increases the lifetime value of your clients. So that's how you structure your offers so that they are attractive enough to get decision makers in based on this psychology, okay? So never make the mistake and try to pitch a full project implementation right out of the gate. Nobody will do it. It's simply not attractive enough. Okay, so this psychology and then how you structure your buyer's journey according to this is what makes your marketing work, and that's how you can get leads and clients consistently. Let's look at some examples. Here we have example leads. Okay, I blurred out, of course, the personal information, but you see they are like decision makers, in this case CEOs. They confirmed that they have a minimum budget of 5K per month, okay? Or they confirmed that they have a budget of 15K to develop a software prototype, right? They also have confirmed a budget of £9,900 to develop a prototype, okay? And that's how it goes on. Here you also see they have verified phone numbers, which is very important because otherwise, well, you will never reach these people. If they enter fake data, then it's not a verified or qualified lead. It's just like garbage, okay? You don't want to even count this as a lead because it will just pollute the algorithm and ensure that you get more unqualified leads, which I guess is what you don't want. So then here, head of sales, general managers with 100 to 500 employees, okay? So these are all kinds of leads you can get on Meta. You could also get them on LinkedIn, but it's a lot more expensive. Look at the results we achieve for our clients on Meta. Here, this is a new account, just 7 days old, but they are getting verified leads based on qualification criteria and with correct contact information, phone number in particular, for below 20 euros. Okay, and the best part is these are just AI videos. The founder didn't even show his face on camera. These are 100% produced using AI, and it works very well. Here's another example. These are real videos from a founder who recorded the videos. They are getting leads for below 60 pounds. Okay, they already got 60 leads here. A lot of them are very qualified, and he already closed 6 clients. So that's very profitable for him because every prototype is 10K. So that's 60K. You can do the math. If you get leads for, let's say 50 pounds and you got 60 leads, that is in total a budget of only 3,000 euros. And if you sell like 6 10K prototype development services, that's 60K, okay? That's a 20x ROI, which is an exception. I'm not saying that you will get anything near to these results because I don't know what you sell and if you are able to deliver great services profitably to clients. But if you are able to do this, then this is what you could achieve, right? Okay, so here are additional numbers. You see they all range anywhere from 50 to 150 euros, dollars or pounds, and they are all qualified leads according to these qualification criteria you see here. If you want to see how to build such a system, we also link a video below, and then you have all the information to just get started. I hope you got some value from this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers and happy scaling.